Hey everybody, today we have TCMT Highway pegs for Harley Davidson. $49. Let's check them out. Okay, let's go ahead and do an unboxing. The model I have here is the TCMT 32mm 1.25" highway pegs off of Amazon. First thing we have is going to be the foot peg. Looks like we have some Allen wrenches, total of 3. Another foot peg. And this looks like the short angled mount. Powder coat looks good. It's not too bad. If you're like me, you're running the Streamliner pegs off your Harley Davidson. The reason I got this particular mounting kit is due to the fact that these are only $49. These pegs on Harley Davidson's website are about $170, and the short angle mounts here run about $143 off of Harley Davidson's website. Let's get them installed and check them out. Okay guys, so we're going to start off by taking out the bolt here with the supplied Allen wrench. And if you notice, there's 2 of these little metal brackets that fit inside there. One is thicker than the other. What I did was use the thicker one, insert, so the flush side is going to go towards the back. And then we're going to go ahead and get the foot peg. We're going to slide it in. Okay, so as you can see here, put the like a little metal washer. It comes with 2. If you can fit both of them in there, go for it. It'll just be, more snug. I tried, I couldn't get it going, guys. So I reinstalled one side. I used the thicker one, and it's fine. So once you get that peg installed, go ahead and line it up. Go ahead and grab your bolt. Use some blue Loctite on all the threads that come with it, because you don't want this, getting loose on the highway. Let's go ahead and tighten it down. Okay, so it looks something like this. This is going to be on the left side of the bike. Okay, next we'll go ahead and mount the bracket onto the engine guard. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wipe down the engine guard. Once that's wiped down, free of dirt or whatever, inside the box, it came with these like protectors to protect your paint. So what I'm going to do is just pull one off. Go ahead and install it. Kind of like where I want the mount to go. Next thing I'm going to do is use the supplied Allen wrench to go ahead and remove this bolt all the way. There's a rubber washer. Go ahead and put on the mount. where I want the mount to go. Looks like right there is pretty good. So once you have the bracket on, like a ballpark figure of where you want it, go ahead and put some blue Loctite on the threads. Plastic washer in the back. You don't want too tight. Just kind of get, like I said, ballpark figure of where you want it. Now, once you loosen the bolt up, this can be adjusted up or down. And there's also another bolt back here where the peg can tilt. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Well, there you go, guys. Installation's complete. Not too hard. Like I said, probably the toughest thing is trying to put both of these spacers in, but if you just use the thicker one, you should be fine. As you can see here, it's pretty tight. Definitely blue Loctite, all the threads. Torque them down really good. Okay, and as you can see, the streamliner pegs look just like the Harley-Davidson OEM ones. All right, guys, well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out, and we'll see you next time. Ride safe.